Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a Snow White inspired hair bow. I do have centers that hopefully during my editing phase I will be able to find links for. They are going to be the inkjet Shrinky Dink ones, and you'll need to seal them with Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. I will show you guys. These are the centers. I haven't decided which one I'm going to use yet, but we are doing a Snow White Bitty Boutique bow. I have all the pieces down here. What you're going to need for this, you're only going to need 2 templates for this. You're going to need the 3.5 inch pinwheel template, and you are going to need the 3-inch Brilliant Bowmaker Surrounds template. You're also going to need scissors. You're going to need needle and thread. This is my little needle poof, I guess. I saw a tutorial by Nimc here on YouTube. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments and I will paste the, well, I'll put the link to make one of these in there as well. It's a nice, cute little place to jab your needles, and it looks so cute on the desk. It's all hand sewn. I actually used a chenille sock to do this, and then I did HTV on the face. You don't need to do that, but if you're interested in the little pin cushion, let me know and I'll give you guys the link. You are also going to need a lighter. You're going to need a salon clip. Helpful, not totally needed, but I'm going to throw it in as needed, are a couple of double prong clips to help you hold the ribbon, and you're going to need a glue gun. I will leave measurements for everything down below when it comes to these. These have their measurements on the template. The Surround-A-Bow uses 21 inches of ribbon, and the pinwheel uses 18.5 inches of ribbon. But really quick, this is 8 pieces of 5-inch long, 7/8 inch grosgrain. This is 15 inches long, 7/8 and 1.5 inch. So to get started, you're going to take your base. I used a pinwheel for this. I like it because it lays flat on the head. Not a lot of my customers prefer the big base bows. So this is why I use the pinwheels in all of my tutorials. And you're just going to glue your clip onto the base bow. Remember to push down to make sure that it adheres. And I'm going to come through and glue the center wrap down now. I have explained this before, but it's much easier to glue the center wrap while it's just the base bow, because once you get it clipped in, you can push down on that center and there's nothing to keep you from getting good pressure. So you're going to pinch down for a minute. Clean up any glue spillage from either gluing the clip to the base bow or the center wrap now while it's just this and it's flat. We're going to put that off to the side. I have already glued all of my spikes together. This is not needed. I just prefer to glue the spikes together. It lets it fan out nicely and it stays this way. So that's what I prefer. You're going to take your 3-inch Surround-A-Bow, put a dollop of glue in there, and you're going to bring the topper bow into here. I went with the normal colors of Snow White, which is red. Like this is electric blue, but I'm going to call it a royal blue, and yellow. I will link all of the ribbons down below. I will say that this Swiss dot ribbon I got at Walmart. So I will hopefully be able to find that on Walmart's website. But if you have a local Walmart, you can go ahead and find it there. I'm not sure where you can buy Swiss dot. I'll do some searching and find different places to purchase it. Once you are happy that your topper bow is connected to your surround bow, I take a moment and just kind of fluff out the topper bow before we attach these spikes to this piece that we just connected. And make sure you press down. It's really important that you press down and ensure that everything attaches properly, because if it's not attached, it's going to fall apart. You're also going to want to make sure that your bow is nicely centered. It's harder to take it apart once you realize at the end and everything's done than it is to check here. We're going to add some glue to the base bow, and we're going to attach the base bow to the rest of the bow. I realize I have glue seepage all over the spikes and I need to fix that. I forgot to do that before filming. It's going to make it a little harder, but to get rid of the hot glue bits that have seeped out, you can heat it up with your lighter and wipe it away. This does take a while, especially if you have very particular hot glue that does not want to budge, or if once it's dry, you can come through and just peel it off. Sometimes I've got to use the lighter in a little bit. Either way works. If you don't have nails or the patience to peel everything away, because that does take some patience, you can just stick to the lighter method. I find that the lighter method tends to leave a small amount of residue if you're not 100% diligent in getting everything off. But it is your choice what method you use. Either way, just make sure to clean it up before you attach everything, like me. I probably should have looked, but that's neither here nor there. And now you're going to wrap the center. Don't worry about squishing the bow right now. But you do want to make sure that this is a nice, tight center wrap. In case this comes apart, this center wrap is the only thing that's going to hold your bow together. Only thing. So, you're going to want to get it as tight as possible. Add a little dollop of glue on the inside. Pull it tight and close the clip and just hold it there for a minute, keeping tight on this tail. I did not wait long enough for my double-sided tape to set. This is what happens when you try to use the double-sided tape from Dollar Tree right away on your clips. If you press too hard, it will shift. I have found a lighter helps melt the glue a little bit, but my best suggestion when using the double-sided tape to line your clips is let them sit for about 24 hours. Let the tape fully adhere before you try to mess with it. I, however, did not, so. And then at this point, it comes time to fuss with the spikes. Figure out how you want them to lay. I think I want the yellow over the blue. So if you're going You can also use those clips you used earlier as your second hands to help hold the spikes together so you can see what you're doing, what it'll look like. And yes, I think that one looks great. So we'll just glue these spikes together closed. And there you go. That is your Snow White's Bitty Boutique bow. All done and ready to stiffen. In the comments below, I want to get your opinions. Do you like the Happily Ever After or the Royal Sweetheart? You're still here? Comment below. Let me know what you like, which one you prefer, and I'll use that one, whichever one has the most votes. But thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. We're going to be having a bonus video this week. It is part 1 of my Temu haul. I'll be reviewing ribbon, centers, beads. I got fabric markers, and I got a 3-pack of scissors too, as well as a thumb thimble. So I will be reviewing those, going through them, telling you guys my first impressions. And as I use them through videos, I will give you more nuanced impressions of them, but the videos are just going to be my first impressions of them. So that will be the first bonus video. Next week's bonus video will be part 2 of the Temu haul, and that's going to be the faux leather and glitter canvas packs that I got. So make sure you are subscribed. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you are not subscribed, click the subscribe button right next to it. Click the bell button right next to that. Set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, make sure you are subscribed because I am getting ready for a giveaway for my subscribers, and you cannot be entered into it if you are not subscribed. So I'd really love to have you guys be entered into this giveaway. There's a lot of goodies. There's 30 to 40 yards of ribbon. There's headbands. There's little flowers. It's a whole bunch of stuff. And I have 2 packs to give away. So 2 lucky people are going to be winning a huge lot from me. So make sure you are subscribed. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions for other videos or other themes you'd like to see, also leave that down in the comment section below. And make sure you leave your pick for Royal Sweetheart or Happily Ever After down below as well. Make sure to check the description box for everything I've used, links for everything I've used, and hopefully links for these. Again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next time on our bonus video, which is the first round of Temu purchases. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!